Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cornbread from a box mix. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want your cornbread mix, eggs, milk, and oil. Always check the box for exact measurements and any additional ingredients. Don't forget to preheat your oven to the temperature listed on the package, usually around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to mix. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the cornbread mix with the eggs, milk, and oil. Use a spoon or spatula to stir everything together. Mix just until the dry ingredients are moistened. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, so stop as soon as it's combined. A few small lumps are absolutely fine. Before baking, prepare your pan. Lightly grease an 8-inch or 9-inch square pan or a cast iron skillet with butter or cooking spray. This step is crucial to prevent your cornbread from sticking. Carefully pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly with your spatula. This ensures your cornbread bakes uniformly. Place your pan in the preheated oven and bake for the time indicated on the box, typically between 20 and 25 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once baked, remove the cornbread and let it cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. Serve it warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.